Yep, it's a pookie comb. Let's just make it.
One day I was just combing my hair and then it's just broken. Then I thought, why not recreate it? For the base, I used Febicryl Molded. So one is resin mold and one is hardener. Whoever already used it, so they know we need to mix this too. Yeah, so started mixing this too. It's kind of messy task for me. Then started making the comb base.
And as you can see, I have used the kitchen stuffs like the chopboard and the baलन.
First I was just flattening the mold. And yes, I don't have that much great equipment, so it's kind of shaky hai.
As it was sticking, so I thought of use some powder, but I did not have, so I used rice flour.
So now just fixing the comb to the base. And to get the proper shape, I just started cutting the edges of the base. Cutting part is so relaxing. I was totally enjoying this part. And yes, the cutting part is almost done. Here I'm just flipping the extra part, every edges. I'm just trying to stick it to the comb. So now just dab, 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 and dab, 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 dab.
Now quickly do the other sides of it. Just flip it and stick to it. Yeah, and then it's done.
And after turning the opposite side, it looks horrible to me right now. So yeah, I need to fix that as well. So why not just put some flour?
And I don't have patience, so I'm just trying to rip it off right away.
I am now struggling to just rip it off or like pop it off. Just look at this, it got deformed. Then adding some wooden textures to it. And I have already few leaves and flowers already with me. So yeah, let's just put it all together and create some bouquet kind of thing. Yep. And let's put the other flowers together and just complete it. I almost forgot the handle part, so yeah, let's just make the other hassle part. So yeah, let's just do it. And let's not forget the wooden texture as well. After 1 hour and so, it got dried up and then I started painting the gesso on it.
Now just pour some colors. Beautiful, pretty, cute, pookie color. Yes, and these colors are suggested by my husband because I was thinking to do some wooden bark color like brown or like yellowish outside, and then inside is like red roses and this bright yellow and stuff. But he suggested no, you just put some cotton candy or like unicorn colors. So yeah, I'm just doing it. Actually, I love this part the most because it includes blending. I can see different colors are mixing together beautifully. I just love to feel it. If you are an artist or love to do the crafts, so just comment it down below and let me know which part excites you the most. The painting, the crafting, or what part? And meanwhile, let me tell you one more thing. If you're new to my channel and you like artistic stuff, crafts and all, so please hit the subscribe button and the bell button as well. So if I upload any video, it will go and ping you directly. And if you till this point here, and I'm hoping like you like this video, so please just hit the like button and share if possible. And now the painting part is almost done. So the painting is done and it got dried up as well. And now just pour some varnish and do some vernishing on it. Let it just make glossy and shiny. Let's varnish the other side as well. The varnish does not make it only glossy, it actually protects the product. Now let's just add some pearls to it and it will look more beautiful, right? At least in my perspective. You can suggest otherwise. Let's just add the other pearls one by one. And it's done. I just love it. What do you think? See you in the next video. Till then, bye.